Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the updated process of opening bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC. Whether you're revisiting your favorite websites or organizing your online resources, accessing your bookmarks is essential. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Chrome browser. If you haven't already, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch the application. Once you see the familiar interface of Chrome, you're ready to proceed. Next, look towards the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll find 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This icon is known as the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now, navigate to Bookmarks in this menu. Hover your mouse over the Bookmarks option, and a side menu will appear. This menu includes several bookmark-related actions. From this side menu, select Show All Bookmarks. By clicking this option, you will open the Bookmark Manager in a new tab. The Bookmark Manager provides a comprehensive view of all your saved bookmarks, allowing you to easily organize and manage them. In the Bookmark Manager, you can see all your folders and links neatly arranged. This is where you can edit, delete, or create new bookmarks as needed. If you're looking for a specific bookmark, you can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, clicking on the 3 dots, accessing bookmarks, and selecting Show All Bookmarks, you can efficiently access and manage your bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.